Welcome to our hazard video. This is the United States. As you can see, the West Coast is a lot drier than the East Coast, which brings us to our first stop in Fresno, California. In Fresno, near the national forests in California, it is obvious that due to dry vegetation, there is an increased risk of fire hazards. Dead fuel moisture is the absence of water in vegetation. The Fresno area has about 7 to 8% moisture, with some areas less than 2%. These risks are increasing with each passing year. Possible prevention options would be to limit the amount of carbon dioxide release to prevent further pollution blanketing in the atmosphere, which means using eco-friendly vehicles and machines. In addition to the United States as a whole, but mostly California, should continue to practice water conservation techniques for other aspects of routine life, so that they may be able to continuously water the vegetation to promote growth and greenery, thus less fire risks. As you can see, Fresno is very dry. Our next stop is Schriever, Louisiana. Louisiana is susceptible to hurricanes due to its position on the coast. Storm surges in the Schriever area are at an average of 6 to 9 feet above ground level. Storm surges of this nature can cause extensive damage to homes and assets, especially if these storms are consistent. Preparation techniques for this hazard would be to control the flow of excess water through areas with ample storm drains and keeping the drains clear. Our last stop is Miami, Florida. Miami is prone to tornadoes due to its location, which neighbors the Gulf of Mexico. The warm air that emanates from the Gulf of Mexico that combines with the cold front that travels from Canada creates air instability. This, combined with a thunderstorm, erupts a tornado. Areas surrounding Miami have seen tornadoes up to speeds of 158 to 207 miles per hour, according to the Fujita scale, which is ranked in the severe damage category. To prepare for a tornado, people can make sure to live in a home with an accessible storm shelter, or make sure to reach out to someone who will let them stay in theirs. It is also very important to always have a first aid kit handy. And we're by the beach. This wraps up our tour. I hope this was a learning experience for all of our watchers.